Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pinder. They also call me Tips with Dave. Today is going to be a very quick one. This is kind of the beginning of the year, so I really want to make an update and share with you this information about affiliate marketing essentials. So I'm going to usually on a Friday we talk about the strategies that I personally use with affiliate marketing, but everything starts for me with this strategy that you can see on screen at the moment. How does it work and how do we actually go about, leveraging this strategy? It's a very simple strategy that I follow, and I'll explain it to you in a second, but I wanted to just give you guys a little bit of proof. This strategy, guys, has gotten me personally. It's something that I've been following for the last 3 years. First and foremost, it's gotten me over $10,000 in revenue with this strategy. Has done a brilliant job for me to create a funded proposal, or as we call it, a budget, basically for myself to be able to build my email list in multiple sources in multiple places, all related to business opportunities or make money online. And it has been quite an interesting journey as a whole. This strategy has come from a lot of years of failure. And also, when I say failure, I mean I've tried multiple things, jumping from one thing to the other. You guys have heard the story. I'm not going to go into, all the details of what I've tried and what I haven't tried. But, based on those elements, there were a couple of skill sets that came out on a marketing front that are common and follow along through each and every business idea that you might have in the past or even in the future, even if it's AI. These two essential skill sets are the things that make the whole difference. And those two skill sets are simply advertising and copywriting. Copywriting, because copywriting helps with the conversion side of the skill set and is used on the advertising, is used on the conversions of your email. So your follow up, when you hear people say that the fortune is in the follow up, actually, the fortune is in the how of the follow up, because it really depends on how you follow up. And then obviously, your copy also is coming into perspective in your daily sales process. So it is a really crucial element. Luckily, we're in a day and age, guys, where AI is very much involved in my process, in my daily optimizing process. And I am an optimizer, so I use AI pretty much in every single thing that I do, and it does help with creating processes. At the end of the day, creating processes that I'm any which way is going to do, whether I need to do it myself or use AI to improve that entire process, it's going to help you. What I did, taking all of these elements into consideration, I created a course which I wanted to make it very, very affordable to everybody. So it's just literally a $1 strategy, and for that $1, you get a strategy. And the strategy is what you see on screen at the moment. It is called the AME strategy. It's called Affiliate Marketing Essentials. It's something that I've been using for the last 3 years. As I mentioned, I leverage an advertising source and I send it to offers on Warrior Plus, on ClickBank, on JVZoo, on other products and services. And basically, I generate a sales on those platforms. And the sales that I use from those platforms, on those networks, when they pay me, I use it to buy advertising to my entire sales funnel. In this scenario, it is the primary sales funnel is the course itself. Okay, so I build the course up by teaching the strategy and then sharing, getting more traffic, more advertising to this strategy itself. And that's how I built an income over there as well. At the same time, this is same strategy is helping me build a couple of other funnels and helping me hit leaderboards on other funnels and so on and so forth also. Okay, so it's been a very positive strategy in my life, and therefore, as the beginning of 2026, I definitely want to share it with you. Now, you can get access to it. It is in the description of this video, but as you can see, it's a very simple process. Okay, so I send out an email every single day to 100 to 200 leads, and this concept, guys, is called a funded proposal. You can have a funded proposal by even just using free advertising and building a funnel just using step 2, and then taking a certain percentage of those sales that you make in your affiliate offers and adding it to paid advertising, let's say Facebook ads or YouTube ads, whichever platform that you're using, and still do the same exact process. So the concept remains the same. I just basically, for $1, I share with you the entire strategy. At the same time, I want to help you with a couple of things because this strategy focuses specifically on email marketing. So specifically on you already are getting a source where you're getting 100 to 200 business opportunity leads every single day. So you're solving the problem of advertising because you're not going out there and searching for that advertising. You're basically getting that advertising by using the source that I recommend. Again, that's up to you if you want it or not. And then the offers as well are something that I recommend, but again, it's up to you if you want it or not. You can use whatever offers you have. That's not a problem. But the advertising problem is solved. This with this source, is it gonna make you rich? No, but it is something that it definitely generates consistency, and that's what helps in the long term. So yeah, that is the advertising problem solved. And then the copywriting problem is basically solved also with step one, because when we get those 100 to 200 leads every day, we're not just converting them into sales. We have to apply the skill set of email marketing to those leads in order for me to get a conversion. So it's even before you are building your own funnel, you are having a space to play around and improve your email quality every single day for that matter, because you send out an email once every 24 hours and it improves your email marketing skills as a whole. Now, as you can imagine, I go through multiple layers and details about it. So what I did was, as I said, I created this course right here. And in this course, I go through pretty much everything and I explain to you guys what is marketing, affiliate marketing essentials, what is the funded proposal, how do you make your first sale, what offers can you promote with this strategy, how to write and convert an email, because I don't want you guys to stop. I want, with this strategy, I want you guys to learn everything, right? So I'm over delivering in this first module and telling you exactly how I'm writing my emails. You can go about and do it yourself. Okay, so this first module is basically you going out and doing it yourself. The second over here is me again doing a little bit with you. So I give you an introduction to the AI tools, the prompts that you can use, and this is going to be email prompting that you can use. But what I'm going to be doing, guys, is I'm updating this module with much more information. You see, I use AI in a couple of multiple processes. Let me just show you. If I go to ChatGPT, I have custom GPTs, and these are my own. These are my own GPTs, guys. I have custom GPTs for Reels and content, which I'm using. I have custom GPTs for step one, which I'm testing. I haven't yet launched this and shared this with anybody, but these are for step one. This is a GPT specifically for step one. This is a direct email GPT that I'm using, and this is a blog GPT. So all of these are all helping me with the current processes that I personally have on a daily basis. Regardless if I share this with you or not, I am going to be updating this much more. So I'm also using, for example, Pinterest to build my blog and so on and so forth. So that's going to be coming into this AI module itself in 2026. So there's a lot of updating that I'm going to be doing to the AI module. But even as it is right now, you have the tools that are available, you have the prompts that are available, and you have the email prompts that are available, which are the crucial part. These prompts are not going away. I want you guys to understand that these prompts are not going away. What I'm going to be adding to it are the custom GPTs. If you are interested in following this entire strategy of the affiliate marketing essentials and you want to know more, you'll find a link in the description that you can go and get started with this strategy. So it'll take you to this page, guys, where it shows you affiliate marketing essentials, a simple proven strategy. So for this proven strategy, as you guys can see right here, it costs you $1. Okay, forget about the sales tax for now. It costs you $1. Okay, I would recommend to get also this AI prompt training, which will unlock everything that both the modules. The reason why I'm telling you this at the beginning of the year, if you're watching this right now in January, most probably this is still available. The prompt training is $9 itself. So your total amount without tax will be $10. Okay. This is because I'm in Italy, it shows me the VAT. the VAT tax that I have here. So that's why it's $12. But otherwise, it'll be just $10. That is for this both prompt training, both the modules. Okay, so it's pretty much a very affordable strategy, plus the guided the information on prompts. And I'm telling you this at the beginning of the year is because if you do decide to get this strategy with the prompt training, all the updates are going to go to this go to the current modules, and you'll get access to those updates without any further cost. If you join after I add the GPTs there, guys, it's going to be more expensive. Okay, so the GPT section, which will include this entire prompt training plus GPT. So for example, if there's an email prompt, I'll give you the email prompt, I'll give you the email GPT, and I will also tell you how to use the GPT to the best of your ability. And then we will have updates, in the groups as well on it. So there's a lot coming in 2026. If you guys are interested, obviously, I personally want to help you guys with this strategy. This is a strategy that generates me personally around $300 to $500 every single month just on step one, just on the strategy itself. And additionally, I've built my email list up. I've made an extra money on my other funnels as well. I'm not going to go into the details of all of the amounts, but it has been a very solid process for me. It's not something fancy. It's not hype. It's not going to make you rich overnight. It's not all of these kind of things, and it doesn't guarantee you any sales. But what it does is teach you a consistent strategy that I've been following for the last 3 years, and I will be following for the next 3 years as well. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. If you're interested, links in the description. Otherwise, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification because on Monday, we're coming out with another video. See you guys on the next one.